King's Cut prime rib, more than 1 night. You have it in your room.
All right, we are looking at a penthouse on board the beautiful Oceania Regatta, and we'll have a look here in the main bath first. And hi guys, I'm Mike. Welcome to Affluent Journeys. That's my website, affluentjourneys.com. You can see we have a single round sink with bejeweled stuff going on here. And the finest Bulgari amenities here on board Oceania. Little sharps container in case you need it. You have a single head here, of course marble throughout the bathroom. And a single glassed-in shower with removable shower head. And a tub. And of course you do need to step up about knee height here to get over that lip in this particular room. And you do have closet space here. Life jackets, and of course you get the nice bathrobes, slippers for use on board. And cashmere blankets as well, in case you're in a cooler climate, you want to sit outside on the balcony. Mini bar here. And personal safe. So have a look into the main area of the room here in the penthouse. Queen size bed that converts to 2 twins. They do give you these special Dreams pillow menus, so you can select from a whole ton of different types of pillows that they offer. You have a small flat screen TV here with a DVD player as well. And they do give you a laptop for use on board in case you don't want to bring your own. You'll see we have the North American and international plugs. Of course, a writing desk here. And this is Oceania Currents. That's the daily calendar of everything that's happening on board. Of course, all the soda and bottled water and basic drinks are included. Alcohol is not generally included unless you get one of the alcohol packages as a part of your booking price. And of course, when you book with Affluent Journeys, you'll get all my special deals included as well. You do get welcome Jacquard champagne and canapes. And you do have Butler service here in the room as well. Why don't we have a look out on the veranda? So you do have a small table and 2 chairs. You can have champagne breakfast out here every morning, served by your butler if you like. And you can see we're in beautiful Port Miami today. Alright, I hope you enjoyed seeing the penthouse here on board the Oceania Regatta. Again, my name's Mike. If you haven't already, please make sure to hit like on the video down below. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, that helps me a lot. And put your comments down below. If you've sailed in a penthouse on Oceania, I want to hear about it here, and so others can read it and learn from your experience and decide if it's something that they want to try as well. Not only that, I'm a luxury travel agent, and I do recommend, of course, and represent Oceania. If you're seriously interested in booking a cruise here on the Oceania Regatta or any other Oceania vessel, I'd love to hear from you about it. And most of the time, I can make you a better deal than you can get direct with Oceania on your own. Even if you've already booked the cruise within the past 30 days, directly with Oceania's North American offices only, not Europe or Australia, you're not paid in full, and you did not book through another travel agent, most of the time I can still give you those same benefits, and I'll be glad to do it. So serious inquiries may contact me today at the phone number down below, or submit your inquiry on the website affluentjourneys.com. Also, if you're interested in seeing my special deals, including those that I get on Oceania, make sure to follow Affluent Journeys on Facebook. That's very important. All my special deals go there. And also give me a follow on Instagram. You'll see some other things that I do. Now, check out my cruise tours playlist. I'll have other rooms tours here on the Regatta, a full ship tour as well, and over 200 videos on the world's best cruise ships. So thanks again for watching. And please stay tuned for the next one.